Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube automation course, and this is part 5. So we have done already 4 videos. So check out my YouTube playlist section and you will get 4 videos over there. Okay, watch serially, that's been part by part. And if you want to really make money online using AI videos on YouTube in 2025, so this video for you. So if you are a student and if you are a business owner or housewife and if you want to start a side hustle, and side hustle definitely as a business, so it's very helpful to get monetized like YouTube automation. So the opportunity is really high. You can earn money like YouTube automation, YouTube monetization, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, okay, and many others. And in this part we're going to create the video. Okay, that's mean number 1 script writing that we have done already using ChatGPT, and number 2 is voiceover and video editing. So as we are creating AI videos, okay, so we don't need to worry about the voiceover or video editing. So if you have zero skills on video editing, like if you don't know how to use CapCut or Filmora or other tools, or okay, so if you don't have any good voice to voiceover, so don't worry at all. So it will completely AI automation, so don't worry about the script writing, voiceover, forget about it. Okay, just follow these steps. So our last video, that's been part 4, was about content planning, and in this section we just showed you that how to brainstorm video ideas, how we can research keywords using vidIQ, and finally how we can create content calendar. This was the part 4, and the part 3 was all about YouTube channel creation. So if you don't know how to create YouTube channel, how to design professional banner and logo, so I just showed you that how you can use Canva completely free, and how you can create professional banner and logo videos, and this was this, and create a YouTube channel. Okay, and the number 2 was niche selection. Okay, choose a specific topic and research your audience, and this is the first introduction. Okay, so let's jump into our part 5 video creation. So let's go back to ChatGPT, and in this part we are going to introduce AI tools and you can use for your full automation part. Okay, so before jumping to the video, so if you are first time watching this YouTube channel and videos, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos for you completely free, how you can make money online using AI videos, using affiliate marketing, drop shipping or drop servicing, okay, and many others. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Okay, all right guys, so let's go back to our ChatGPT. Okay, so we have already done 60 content ideas for the next 60 days. That's mean I will upload each and every single day. Okay, that's means 60 calendars. So we have already done 60 video ideas like scripting, title, and the tags over here. And this is part 5. In this section I'm going to show you how you can create AI videos and using AI tools. Okay, so this is the number 1 that we already generated YouTube video. Okay, and the number 2 is, here you can see the top 10 celebrity mentions of you can actually buy right now, and this is the title, and this is the our script over here, and this is the tags. Okay, so let's copy the script over here, let's copy it and just Google it, short.ai. it's a completely AI. So in these tools you can really create AI story video, great story video, all about the shorts video, and also you can generate subtitle and schedule it in YouTube and TikToks. Okay, it's a story video, it's a fake text. Okay, different kind of here you can see generate dialogue video, Reddit story video. This kind of video you can generate, and this kind of videos getting more views and the chances is high to get viral. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard. Okay, first of all just create a account using a Gmail address. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard. So go to dashboard and then click on AI story video, and you will find the different background style that will help you to grab the audience attention, like watercolor, manga style, picture, sci-fi. Okay, and you can see Lego, watercolor, dark. Also here you can see the Disney style. Okay, I think this one is perfect, watercolor is perfect. Okay, Also you can create Disney styles, so make sure you create the same style. Okay, make sure you all the content, all the shorts video, you use the same style. So I'm going to use, I think yeah, perfect one is watercolor is art. So click on next and click on custom prompt over here, and you will find the templates. But in this section we just want to create videos using our script. That's amazing, right? Okay, and select the language over here. Okay, and make sure your script length is 90 to 60 or 90 to 120 seconds video. So make sure it's 60 to 90 or alright, and then click on custom script and just input the script over here that you already copied from our ChatGPT, and then click on next. Always make sure you use the same subtitle for all of your videos. Okay, that's mean. Okay, so let's click on this one. I think this one is pretty good, and I will use the same subtitle for all of the video. Okay, so click on next. All right, and it's time to select the voiceover artist. That's mean you can choose the artist tone. Okay, so you can select different accent, American or UK or different countries, whatever you are. So just go to this section and select your perfect and favorite voiceover artist. So I'm going to select, I think, alright, so let's select on David. Okay, it's American middle-aged male professional voiceover actor, perfect for narrators. Okay, and then click on generate video. Alright guys, so generating your videos already 50% done. So this is how you can create the unlimited videos. Okay,
in this video we're showcasing the top 10 celebrity mansions on the market that you can actually buy. Imagine lounging by the infinity pool in Drake's $75 million Beverly Hills mansion. These homes don't just offer luxury, they give you the lifestyle of the stars. So, which celebrity home would you call yours? Get more exclusive looks at how the rich and famous live.
So this is the script. So let's copy the script over here, copy it, and let's wait until it finish. And when it finish, I'm going to go back to home, and then I will create new. Alright guys, our video is done, ready. Okay, so let's download the video. Click on here and it will download it into your device automatically. Okay, so let's create the another one. Go back and click on again the AI story video, and then click on this, click on next, and click on custom prompt over here. Make sure the English language, custom script over here, paste your script over here, click on next, and make sure your the same template, same subtitle, click on next, and let's find the David one. Where is David? Come on, select David and generate the video. So using these tools I will generate 60 videos. Okay guys, and next part I will show you how you can upload shorts video into your YouTube channel. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any queries, please comment below. So stay tuned, see you in the next video. Have a good day.